So guys, sharing some more video has been came on the LeetCode Camp channel, and today's video we are solving our 402 question. Okay, so let's try to solve our 402 question. So now let's move to computer screen and let's start to solve our 402 questions. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Here you can see it, our one more solving video has been came, and in today's video we are solving our 402 question of the remove k digits. Okay, and so let's start to solve it, and this question is little bit hard because 1.6 million people submit this and only 5,57 people accepted, and acceptance rate is 34.4%. okay, so let's copy this question, let's drag and drop this question in our word file, and let's try to solve it. And in the next video we solve the hard one, so get ready for it. And now let's drag and drop. Then let me give the font to the Poppins. Okay, so let's try to solve it. So first of all, understand the question. It is saying me given the integer num, given the string num, and string means to determine that is the string. So in the string, first of all, the name of the string has been given, then equals to double commas, and then you are writing anything. So this is called the string representing a non-negative integer num. It is given a string num is representing a non-negative integer num, and integer k return the smallest possible integer after removing k digits from num. So highlight this line because this is the line is very important because it's saying me return the smallest possible integer after removing k digits from num. Now in this case we return the smallest possible integer after removing the k digits from num. So let's see our example 1. This is one example 1 means that you say also you can say case 1. So input, the input will become, in the input it's saying num equals to 143219. In our num variable, in our num integer, sorry, num string, we write 143219, and here we create a one integer k, okay, in which we write 3. So why I am saying num is a string and k is an integer? Because k is an integer because there is not any double commas. In the our num there is a double comma, so that's why it is called string. So the output will become double commas 1219, because if we remove the 3 digits 4, 3 and 2 to the form the new number 1219, which is the smallest, okay, and it is also be same return the smallest possible integer. Here you can see it. So that's why our this type of output will become. So in our case 1 our output will become 1219. So in our case 2, let's move on case 2. The case 2 is on about, in the case 2 the output will be, input has been coming num equals to, here we create a one string by the name of num in which he write 10200, and here he create a one integer by the name of k in which he wrote it down 1. So the output will become 200. Why? Because if you are removing the leading 1 and the number is 200, note that the output must not contain leading zeros, okay, means your output is not starting from 0 like 0 200, not like this, okay, please note down it. So in our case 2 our output will become 200. So let's move on to case 3. So our case 3, here we create a one in string by the name of num in which he wrote it down 10, and here he create a one integer by the name of k by of the 2, and the output will becoming 0. Why? Because it remove all digits from the number and it is left with nothing, which is 0. Okay, example 1, example 2 and example 3. Okay, so let's start to solve it. So let me comment it here and let's start to solve it. 102 remove k digits. So now first of all I write here stack equals to square bracket, then here we write stack, I am writing stack, okay, for define for loop in which define digit in sum. I write num, but by the mistake the sum I am writing. So even a string num representing some non-negative integer. Okay, here we define the nums which is representing a non-negative integer. Define while stack and k greater than 0 and stack square bracket minus 1, and let's start your timer. So you will also be start timer here. Then digit semicolon stack dot pop, and pop method will remove all the things from the stack. Okay. And one more thing I have told you that one more thing which thing I have told you, I forgot when it will come in my mind, so then I will be told you. Okay, so k minus equals to 1. Okay, so then define here stack dot append, and I also tell you what is the work of the append. Append means it will be append two things together. Okay, so enter back, define here if k greater than 0, comma remove remaining k digits from the end of the stack. Then enter press stack. Okay, so if k greater than 0, removing the k digits from the end of the stack. Okay, stack equals to stack, and then define semicolon minus k. Okay, then define if k greater than 0, else stack, else statement, then stack. Then here now in this line I am removing leading zeros. Okay, in this line I am removing the leading zeros, like result equals to semicolon, and then dot join. Then we define like this, and then define here stack. And why I am writing stack many times, because in the third line I create a one stack list, so that's why. Okay, you will be created by the any name. Okay, I'll strip and then semicolon 0. Handle then edge case where result might be empty. Then we return our result if result else semicolon 0. Okay, so now when I see this code, so let's recheck our codes, because must be the error will become in our codes. So let's recheck our codes. We comment here. Okay, in the 7th line here, we by the mistake we did not define 2 rounded brackets. Okay, so 2 rounded brackets had been came, and in this video I will not do any error. Okay, I will be run and then accept it, not any error will become, because I am rechecking. Okay, if k then greater than 0, else stack. Then we defining a return a result equals to dot join stack dot l strip, then 0. Return result if result else semicolon 0. Then here we are writing append digit, then pop digit, then semicolon. Okay, and 0. Then we defining while loop. Okay, I think so the code is correct, so let's run it. So boom, here you can see it. All cases are accepted. Our case 1 has been also be accepted. Our case 2 has been also be accepted. Our case 3 has also be accepted. And our case 1, the output will become 1219. In our case 2, the output will become 200. In our case 3, the output will become 0. Here you can see it. And let's submit it, and let's see what is our position has been came in our submit. So we come on our top. Here you can see it. We come on our top. Here you can see it. We come in the top. Here my image is coming. Okay, and we saw in our 19 milliseconds. Here you can see it. And let's come on to my profile, and like you always know, what is my profile name? My profile name is Rayyan, and now we solved 102 questions very successfully, as here you can see it. And now I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you can have these type of videos on the LeetCode camp solving video. And I know in the 2 days leave I have do in the Friday, I think I did not upload the video, I think so. Okay, so but anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. If you're enjoying, so like, share, and subscribe. And you are enjoying my LeetCode camp video, I see, because the views are coming in our LeetCode camp video. So I hope you are enjoying it. Okay, so now let me meet you in the next class, and next very amazing class like that type of videos. Okay, so now give me the permission to go, because I make more video for you. Okay, so let me meet you in the next class. So for today, goodbye.